Question number 11. Prove that the parallelogram circumscribing a circle is a rhombus. A, B, C, D. P, Q, R, S. Center O. Parallelogram ABCD circumscribing a circle at point O. And in triangle OPB, in triangle OPB and triangle OSD, OP is equal to OS radii of circle. Angle OPB is equal to angle OSD. OPB is equal to angle OSD is 90 degree. And OB is equal to OD. Diagonal of parallelogram bisects each other by right hypotenuse RHS rule. Triangle OPB is congruent to triangle OSD. And CPCT PB is equal to SD. And its equation number first. And AP is equal to AS, its equation number second. Length of tangents are equal. Adding first and second, we get PB plus AP is equal to SD plus AS. This implies AP plus PB is equal to AB and AS plus SD is equal to AD. AB is equal to AD. Similarly, AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD. Hence, ABCD is a rhombus. Hence proved. ABCD is a parallelogram. Parallelogram ABCD circumscribing a circle at point O, and in triangle OPB and another triangle OSD. OP is equal to OS, that is radii of circle, and angle OPB and OSD each 90 degree. OB is equal to OD. Diagonal of parallelogram bisects each other. Both are equal. By RHS congruence rule, we get triangle OPB is congruent to triangle OSD, and by CPCT, PB is equal to SD. Its equation first, and length of tangents are equal, so AP is equal to AS. Its equation second, and we are adding equation first and second. PB plus AP is equal to SD plus AS. AP plus PB that is equal to AB, and AS plus SD that is equal to AD. So we get AB is equal to AD, and similarly we can write it as AB is equal to CD and CD is equal to AB. AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. So parallelogram ABCD is a rhombus, hence proved. Question number 12. A triangle ABC is drawn a circumscribe a circle of radius 4 cm such that the segments BD and DC into which BC is divided by the point of contact D are of lengths 8 cm and 6 cm respectively. Find the sides of AB and AC. A, B, C and D. 8 cm, 6 cm, oh, it's 4 cm. E F, and this 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter, and this is X X. So total side is X plus 8 and X plus 6. And BC is equal to 14 centimeter total side. In triangle ABC, AB is equal to X plus 6, AC is equal to X plus 8, and BC is equal to 14. S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. By Heron's formula, A is AB, B is AC, and C is BC. This implies X plus 6 plus X plus 8 plus 14 divided by 2. That is S. X plus X, 2X. S is equal to 2X plus 28 divided by 2. This implies S is equal to 2 is taking common, X plus 14 in bracket and divided by 2. Then we get the value of S is equal to X plus 14. By Heron's formula, area of triangle is equal to S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. This implies S is X plus 14 into X plus 14 minus A is X minus 6 minus X minus 6. X plus 14 minus B is X minus 8. And C is 14. X plus 14 minus 14 is equal to X plus 14 and X is cancel. 14 minus 6 is equal to 8, multiply by 8 and multiply by X is cancel. 14 minus 8, that is 6, into 14 is cancel into X. This implies root of 48x into x plus 40. 8 6 are 48 into x, 48x into x plus 14. This implies 48 can be write it as prime factorization of 48 is 2, 24, 2, 12, 2, 6, 2, 3. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into x plus 14 is equal to 1 pair 2 and second pair 2. 4 is taking common. We get 3x into x plus 14. Area of triangle ABC, we get 4 into root 3x x plus 14. Area of triangle. And area of triangle AOB, area of triangle AOB is equal to, that is 4 centimeter, and it's 4 centimeter. AB, half into base is AB, that is x plus 6 into height is 4. This is cancelled by 2. This is equal to 2x plus 6 2 are 12. And area of triangle BOC, that is equal to half into BC is 14 into height is 4. This is cancelled by 2, that is 28. Area of triangle AOC is equal to half into base is x plus 8, height is 4, that is same as radius, divided by 2, and we get 2x plus 16, and total sum is area of triangle AOB plus area of triangle BOC plus area of triangle AOC, sum of triangles is equal to AOB plus BOC plus AOC is equal to 8 plus 2 10 plus 6 16 2 4 5 and 4x plus 56. This is equation first and second. First equal to second, we get 4 root 3x into x plus 14 is equal to 4x plus 56, and we are taking common 4x plus 14 in bracket, and 4 into root 3x and x plus 14 in bracket. 4 is cancelled, squaring both sides, we get under root of 3x into x plus 14 raised to power 2, square root is cancelled, and x plus 14 raised to power 2. This implies 3x into x plus 14, square root is cancelled, and x plus 14 raised to power 2. 1 power is cancelled and x plus 14 is also cancelled. This implies we get 3x is equal to x plus 14, and we are shifting x in left side. 3x minus x is equal to 14 and 2x is equal to 14. This implies x is equal to 14 divided by 2 and is equal to 7. We get the value of x equal to 7. So AB is equal to x plus 6. X is 7 plus 6. This implies AB is equal to 13 and AC is equal to x plus 8. 7 plus 8. This implies AC is equal to 15. Answer. Given triangle ABC, BD is equal to 6 cm and CD is equal to 8 cm are given, and radius 4 cm is given at point O, and we are assuming AF is x and AE is x, and total AB is equal to x plus 6 and AC is equal to x plus 8, and total BC is equal to 14 cm. AB is equal to x plus 6, AC is equal to x plus 8, and BC is equal to 14. S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. This implies S equal to A is x plus 6 plus B is x plus 8 plus C is 14 divided by 2. And S is equal to x plus x, that is 2x plus 28 upon 2. 2 is taking common. S is equal to 2 is taking common, x plus 14 upon 2. 2 is cancelled and S is equal to x plus 14. By Heron's formula, area of triangle ABC equal to S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. S is equal to x plus 14. X plus 14 minus A is x minus x plus 6. That will be negative x plus 14 minus x minus 8. X plus 14 minus 14. And x is cancelled. X is cancelled. 14 is cancelled. We get x plus 14 in bracket 8. 14 minus 6 is 8. 14 minus 8 is 6. And x. And 6 8s are 48x into x plus 14. And prime factorization of 48 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. And 2 into 2 we are taking common. 2 2s are 4. And in bracket 3x into x plus 14, it's equation number first. And in triangle AOB, BOC and AOC, sum of 3 angle of triangles, area of triangle AOB is equal to half into base into height, and base is x plus 6 and height is 4, and 2 divides 4 2 times, and 2 multiplied by x is 2x, 2 multiplied by 6 is 12. And similarly, area of triangle BOC, base is equal to 14, 6 plus 8 is 14 multiplied by 4, and half into base into height, 2 divides 4 2 times, and 14 2s are 28. AOC triangle, half into base is x plus 8 and height is 4. 4 divides 2, 2 2s are 4 and 2x plus 16. And sum of areas of triangle AOB, BOC and AOC is equal to 4x plus 56. And area of triangle, by Heron's formula, area of triangle is equal to 4 times of root 3x plus 3x into x plus 14. Area of triangle ABC is equal to 4 root 3x x plus 14. It's equation number first and it's equation number second. First equal to second, we get 4 into root 3x into x plus 14, that is equal to 4x plus 56. We are taking common 4, and in bracket x plus 14, 4 is cancelled, and squaring both sides we get Square root is cancelled and x plus 14 square is right side, and 3 into x plus 14, that is equal to x plus 14 square. 1 power cancel and x plus 14 is cancel. We get 3x is equal to x plus 14. Shifting x left side, 3x minus x is equal to 14. 2x is equal to 14. X equal to 14 upon 2. 7 2s are 14. We get the value of x is equal to 7. And we are putting the value of x equal to 7 in AB and AC. So we get the sides of triangle. AB is equal to 7 plus 6 is equal to 13, and AC 7 plus 8 is equal to 15 centimeter. Answer. Question number 13. Prove that the opposite sides of a quadrilateral circumscribing a circle subtend supplementary angles at the center of the circle. A, B, C, D. P, Q, R, S. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral. AB touches at P, and BC, CD, DA touches the circle at point Q, R, and S. Construction join OA. It's O. OA, OB, OP, OQ, OC, OR, OD, OS. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. OA bisects angle POS. OA bisects angle POS. Equation number first. OA bisects angle POS. And similarly, angle 4 is equal to angle 3. Equation second. Angle 5 is equal to angle 6. Equation third. And angle 8 is equal to angle 7. Equation 4. Adding first, second, third, and 4, we get 2 times of angle 1 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 8 is equal to 360, and angle 1 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 8 is equal to 360 divided by 2. This is equal to 180. This implies angle 1 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 8 is equal to 180 degree. Angle 1 plus angle 8 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degree. Angle 1 plus angle 8, that is AOD. This implies angle AOD plus angle 4 plus angle 5 BOC. BOC is equal to 180 degree. Similarly, angle AOB plus angle COD is equal to 180 degree. Hence proved. ABCD is a quadrilateral and PQRS be the points of AB, BC, CD and DA which touches the circle. ABCD is a quadrilateral. AB touches at point P. AB touches P, BC touches Q, CD touches R and DA touches S. Construction: join OA, OB, OP, OQ, OC, OR, OD and OS. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. OA bisects angle PO. Angle A is equal to angle 2. Equation first, OA bisects angle POS. POS. And similarly, angle 4 is equal to angle 3. Equation second. And angle 5 is equal to angle 6. Equation third. Angle 8 is equal to angle 7. Equation 4. Adding first, second, third, fourth, we get that is 2 times of angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 6 plus angle 7 plus angle 8 is 360, and 2 times of angle A plus angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 8 equal to 360 means angle 1 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 8 equal to 360 upon 2, that is 180 degree. Angle 1 plus angle 8 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 is 180. Angle 1 plus angle 8 is equal to AOD and angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to BOC. AOD plus BOC is equal to 180, and similarly angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 6 plus angle 7 is equal to 180 degree, and angle 2 plus angle 3 is AOB plus COD. AOB plus COD equal to 180, hence proved. Thank you so much.